What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I love this location and I haven't been here in a few weeks and I want to take you guys in and see what's new. I can't wait to see what's in here. I found brand new elf in my other location. So let's head in and see what's new.
Yeah, I like your Ghostbusters shirt.
Thanks.
Yeah, they put Marshmallow Man, and Slimer, and Zool.
I love the colors. I got it at Five Below.
Five Below?
Yeah.
Check it out.
All right, you guys, let's see what we got. Ooh, we have some more Christmas stuff. More Christmas stuff. This is so cute. We have little foam sheets. Angels, trees, snowflakes, the pretty, super pretty faux snow. Ooh, I love the faux snow. We get 42 grams, 1.48 ounces. This is so cute. Harvest decor. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at that. So cute. All the cute salt and pepper shakers. Harvest cider, a brand new candle. Look, you guys, the brand new dish drying mats. The oven mitts and the pot holders. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. These are really cute. They're plastic. And then we have the mugs, we have Gather, we have Grateful, we have even larger mugs. We have matching bowls. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh, the big party tubs. Ooh, this is so pretty. The pretty blue, this sort of cranberry color. We have orange. These are really nice, you guys. If you like these, grab them sooner than later. They will sell out fast. Those are really nice. We also have the orange bowls. We have the coffee mugs. It really matches the little bin as well. Not exactly, but pretty close. Oh my gosh, you guys, look, the super cute gnomes. The gnomes. We have the leaves. We have the buffalo check. I love the blue and orange and white pumpkins. This is really cute. These little cups are so cute. And then we have plates. Cute little trays. Ooh, look at the trays. The trays are really adorable. I think I might want to get one of these. I don't have a cart though. I just walked in and was like, okay, I gotta get to filming. Whoa, we have a whole display of glow and blacklight nails from LA Colors. Reds, plums, varieties of purples, yellows, little polka dots. This whole display here, I'm kind of sad. These are all gone. I feel like I saw a bunch of these in Walmart recently, and my store is totally wiped out. We have the decorative shreds. Gold. Looks like we have red and white and silver. Does my store have any other colors? Oh, okay. We do have this. That's super pretty. Merry and Peace. Merry and Bright. We have more Christmas items. We have Christmas, we have fall, we have Halloween. We have the wreath forms. I got lucky. We have another LA Colors display. matte lipstick, velvet lipstick. We have the plumping lipstick. We have the cute little palettes. We have eye markers. Yes, eye markers. We have eyeshadows. We have mascaras. Metallic glowing eyes. These are definitely new. And behind me, we have a bunch of candy. Some of it regular, some of it Halloween candy. Even more new stuff, you guys, look. We have the vase fillers. We have the foam scatter. We have the cute little pom-poms. Oh my gosh. Be Merry. Santa. A snowman. So many various Christmas things are just scattered within the Halloween stuff. Chair covers, these are new. This one is new as well. Whoa, these are some really big signs. These Day of the Dead signs, they're really heavy and sturdy. They're really, really nice. Super nice. We also have this matching hanging, you know, piece. We'll just call it a piece. I love the glitter. We have tons of new Halloween stuff over here. Tons. I didn't see any of the stuff last week. Wow. Oh, these are cute. Potions and poisons. The Witch's Book of Spells. These are cute. Wow, we just have so many new things. I just found a brand new product. It looks like this one is actually leaking. Okay, it does smell pretty much like cleaner, but I was curious about how these smelled and I tried to open the cap and it was sealed, but this one is not sealed. And it kind of smells like just like a bathroom spray. Anyways, it's brand new, made in the USA. It's called Soil Love Laundry Soil Stain Remover, 16 ounces. It has this sort of lid, so you might want to consider putting it in a spray bottle. That is definitely brand new. Ooh, and these are here at this location. These are the In-Wash Aroma Boosters. Now, the ones I got at home were all purple, but it looks like this container is like pink, orange, purple, and green. I got some of them, but haven't used them yet. They smell really, really good. And you get so much product. You get 17.5 ounces. I think this is new also. This color looks brand new. I mean, I have seen the field flowers many, many times, but I feel like maybe the color has changed. This is just so pretty back here. I just love this blue. It's like a bluish purple. And then we have these little ones here as well, but you don't really get that much. You get 10.5 ounces and it's just the little crystals. I am kind of interested in this product. I don't know if I'm gonna get it today though, because I'm kind of obsessed with how these smell and I'm thinking about using them for making other content. If you guys follow me, you already know at Bunny Birdy Gator on TikTok, I'm always melting things. Also, I have my new ASMR channel, so I have some ideas for these. I definitely want to try them out. You guys should definitely smell them next time you're in the store. Come back to my very next video, you guys. I have a lot to share. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.